It's week 3 of Can I Monetize My Channel? And I have got now 40 subscribers. I got an extra one today, so I am so excited. So I've only got 960 to go, and I'll be there. So I'm not holding my breath. I know it's going to take a wee while to get there, but I've got 40 subscribers, and this week I don't think anybody's dropped out, so that's a bonus. I am forever hopeful. And also this week, all my little arrows are going up and they are green, so that must be a good sign, I think. At some point I will try to work out what all these analytics are showing me, but green must be good, mustn't it? This week I have learned how to make a start screen. I have learned how to put a little bit of music into my videos at the beginning and at the end. I've also learned how to turn the volume down, and this week I have bought myself a new sound cancelling, or should I say noise cancelling microphone. So I think if I vlog from my car again, if I can think of something to say and I'm not boring you too much, then you won't get overwhelmed by the crackling and the noise coming from my little microphone. And I was going to do a little bit of a vlog today, so I wore my non-clunking earrings. I just think I was prepared, I just couldn't think of anything to say. I think I'm a little bit boring, which is why my channel isn't growing so quickly. I did have a lot of thought whilst driving to the supermarket today about confidence, and when your channel is a little slow on the uptake and you see all those people that are doing the same as you being way more successful, you just think to yourself, no, you don't, but I do. Maybe I'm just too boring, Maybe that's the problem. I saw a comment on Caroline Mrs. M from one of her subscribers, and they said, Caroline, words to the effect, Caroline, I just love the way you do things. You're straight to the point, you're cheerful, and there's no faffing around, you just do it. Well, I suspect I could learn a lot. I think maybe I'm just too faffy. I have spent a lifetime faffing around, so it is a habit. It's a habit that I do have, and I've just got worse as I've got older. So I'm going to try and have a rejig of my entire personality. I'm going to be so upbeat you won't recognize me next week. I shall be doing a jig at the beginning of my video, and anything else that I can think to do to improve my channel. I have a feeling I might not succeed with that, but you never know. Miracles do happen, perhaps just not with me. Anyway, I am going to show you all of my stats. They do look a little better than they did last week, and once again I have to remind you, look at those arrows, they are going up. So despite my existential crisis during the midweek, when Linda T70 buoyed me up and rallied me around, I am still here. This is week 3, and I do hope you are thinking about doing your own channel, because I think or I know that you'd be far better than me. And it can be great fun, and it has taken over my life. You know, I just wake up and first thing I think about, apart from shall I make my darling boy a cup of tea, which he always gets because he's very spoiled, it is the next thing I think about, especially when I'm rowing and doing all my exercises, because I still have a problem with my Achilles tendon and it is keeping me up at night. It is miserable. Anyway, that said, I'm going to leave you now to watch my stats roll forward and hope that you'll be impressed. And by the time you've looked at them, you'll be able to think, I could have done so much better. So until the next week, enjoy my stats as they are. Also, to almost